So this cube file contain all the configuration of your cluster, Kubernetes cluster. So every time when you will try to use kubelet, then the kubelet will go to this directory and check what is the containers, what is our Kubernetes cluster, and what are the nodes and the kubelet that I have to interact with them. I think that everything. I think that is clear. So now, if we come here and type kubectl git nodes, that we have something. The status is not ready, and what is that? Because we have not installed a network plugin. So let me go here down and copy and paste the this network plugin, and paste it here, the control plane, and we have to wait a little bit. Kubectl git nodes. As you can see that the status is changed from not ready to ready. The next step is try to connect this master node with our Ansible. For that, I will create a user. Let me be the root. I will create a user. User add. Or instead of that, we can go only with our default user, that is Ubuntu. So for that, let me go here to here and try to check the IP address of our master node. So as you can see, this is our IP address. This network interface is a virtual. It is for Docker, right? So let me come here and try to type SSH copy ID, then Ubuntu, then the IP address of our master node. Let me copy it and paste it here. Nice. So an error will occur, and why? Because you have not configured the SSH, the configuration, because we have to configure it and we have to allow for the password authentication, right? So let me go here to, we'll try to cd utc ssh, right, and then try to sudo nano sshd conf. Sorry, I have ssh config, and go down here and try to switch this password authentication from no to yes. Yes, and then try to reload our sshd service to the service sshd reload. If we try now to connect to it, just ask for the password, and I think that's why I have create user and assign it a password. So it's good to face this kind of problems. So let me check another way. is try to copy the public address to this master. So let me go to, I will go to cd ssh and then nano rca.pub, right? Sorry, I have to cut that. Copy it and go to the master and add that to this, to our authorized keys. So ls, and then try to cut authorized keys, right? And then paste this here. Nice. Now if I try to make an SSH to our, they already exist on the remote. You think this is a mistake, you might want to F, right? Sorry, I have to make an SSH now. Ubuntu. If config, copy and paste that here. Nice. So now it is login now. So if we try now to check here, have to exit, right? So you can see here that I have already logged. That is nice. So the SSH connection now is good. It's working nice, good. So I have to exit here now and try to go to host and add that there. Modify the host file, and here I will add another group, call it Kubernetes, right? And here Ubuntu, and give it and paste it here. Sorry, I have to paste the IP address of our master node. Paste it here. Try to remove this because we are not using that in this lab. Yes. And if I try here to check that and type Ansible all /mping,